So neck and chest, tech neck, call it what you will. Fact is, so many more of us have been just used to staring into screens over the past year. It's made us a little bit more conscious about our neck area. The neck is a famously forgotten area in the world of beauty, because mainly we will protect our face, we'll put creams on our face, SPF, etc., but we forget the neck and chest. Really, so do we need a separate cream for the neck and chest? Well, of course you don't. However, you are going to get a better result if you do. The skin on the neck is very different to the skin on the face. It's thinner for one, it's got less oil glands in there, and it's way more prone to loss of elasticity, even more so than the face. So all of the neck creams out there are aimed at, they've usually got higher intensity peptides, for example, which are going to add firmness to an area which needs it. So really what you're going to get if you use a targeted neck treatment, you will get better results. Now, the sooner you start, the better. The most important thing to do is just put an SPF on, especially if you're a runner or you're playing tennis and this area is uncovered. Just slap on SPF. That's going to be your best friend. The sort of age spots, which we know start coming from 45 plus or even sooner. The more that just pop the SPF on, because that will prevent things getting worse. So which creams do I like and which do I think work? They tend to be quite expensive, the neck creams, unfortunately. Now, two tried and tested, proven ones which work are the SkinCeuticals, I think it's called the Tripeptide Neck Repair, and the Dr. Perricone. The SkinCeuticals, they're both £100 plus. The SkinCeuticals rather includes retinol, so some people might be a little bit sensitive to that, but is going to soften lines. It's the only proven ingredient that softens lines and works a treat. The Dr. Perricone one, I know of several people who've grown up in the sun who use this, and they've got really impressive smooth neck. So again, it works, but it's quite pricey. There is an exciting, there's two other ones I want to tell you about. Firstly is Neostrata, the brand Neostrata, which I absolutely love. It's a cosmeceutical brand and they just deliver. Their tripeptide, their neck lift, the triple neck lifting cream is an absolutely wonderful product. It's about £40, 40 to £45 depending on where you get it, and that will give you wonderful results. Lots of aesthetic doctors recommend it. But finally, a really good one which you might want to just check out, it's a brand called Pry, and they have got a neck and décolletage cream called Ageless, and it's a real cult. It's turned into a bit of a cult product. One is sold every 60 seconds. Now, I've tried it. It definitely does something. I don't know how. I don't understand how it can work in 7 days, but it will start smoothing this area. So you can get it in M&S or obviously online, Pry, P-R-A-I, and it's the Pry Ageless neck and décolletage treatment. It's about £25. What a great entry point. So why don't you just sort of start with that and then see how you get on. If things really have gone pear-shaped and you fancy going to visit someone, an aesthetic doctor, there are a couple of options out there that you could try. Profilo injections, which are essentially hyaluronic acid injected into the neck. I haven't tried any of these. Can apparently have a very nice smoothing effect. It's essentially sort of moisture jabs going in and can work well on those necklace lines. As we know, Judy Murray has spoken and shown her treatment, her Morpheus 8, which is microneedling with intensive RF, radio frequency, much more extreme, but you can also get Botox injections into the neck to help for the necklace line. So lots of options out there, but my advice would be to try the M&S route first for £25 and to see how you get on with that. And don't forget the SPF. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good day.